This old guy DIY video has to do with an outrigger I made for a canoe some years ago. And it's made with a 2x4 cross member. And then I had drilled 2 holes in it, just put bolts through it and actually stuck that through the thwart on the canoe itself. And then on the outside, I had put bolts with a nut here and then also a nut there, so it would keep this boat fender away from the 2x4 effectively, but it would keep the thing captured, so in case you did lean and hit the water, it wouldn't escape on you. But I built this probably 10 years ago, only used it twice. There was an old heavy-set guy that I was canoeing with to go duck hunting, and it was kind of scary. So when we were in the wider water, everything worked out fine. But when we got to some skinny water, then these things wanted to catch on the brush, and it was more of a pain than it was worth. So he has since quit hunting, and now I'm just going to grab the floats off of this unit and put it on the outrigger that I'm making out of a walker. So here's what the structure for the walker looks like, and if you'd like to see what my new style outrigger looks like, just click on my other video. Thank you.